Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fold the preliminary base. It's this very simple base, very common in origami. Many diagrams come from it. I have just recently designed this angelfish yesterday, and I think so. This is a very important thing that you need to learn a preliminary base, because like this new model of mine, many origami models such as the lily or the crane, pyramids, starbucks, and etc. Many of them are dependent on this base. We're gonna need is one square sheet of paper, color on one side and white on the another. Now this is because we'll have white internally hiding, like most of these diagrams models require. So first of all, we're gonna take these corners and let's meet them. Basically, you're hiding all the blue color here, and you will see is white and white and white. So get something like this. When you're done, you just press freeze properly and you just open this and do this for the other one too. So you get something like this. Now once you're done, you open this too and you go to the other side, which is white. Now on the white side, I'm going to fold this into half, side to side. So now you will see the blue color while the white hides. Freeze hard and do the same for the other one. The white hides, the blue shines. When you're done with that, what you need to do is to basically open it. Now we've got is one crease and there's one point that is creating all those tension. That's the center of the paper. Now we're going to fold this into half, and as you can see, there's like a small pocket here when I hold this. What you need to do is to basically press this pocket so you get like 1, 2, 3, 4 flaps, and while touching all these together, you will take one on this side and one on this side, and you press this properly like this. Now your preliminary base is ready. It's got 2 flaps on each side, and there's one flap at the bottom which basically reveals your white color. The top has all these 4 flaps combining together and originating. It does not show any white color from outside, but internally it shows. It's a very important property for color changing models too. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.